Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to create a rolling end credit on CapCut application. So this edit style can help you with your video if you are in a project creating a short video. So you need to add the credit for the movie or video creator process or creating process. Go click this new project, and right after that you just need to add the background. So you can choose photo, or if you don't have any background, you just need to visit the library, because the CapCut already gave a lot of options of the background for you. So you just need to pick. You can choose either the portrait or landscape for the ratio, and then whenever you already decide what background, you just need to go click it and click add. The next thing you need to do is just go adjusting the duration. So the longer the credit or the someone who involved into the movie process, so you need the longer durations so that the credit can slowly rolling on your video. The next thing you need to do is just go adding the text, the credits that you want to add into your video here. So here I already prepared to you the credits informations. I will let to just copy it. Okay, I will let to copy everything's here, and just go back into the CapCut and just paste in this section. The next thing you need to do is adjusting the fonts. You just need to choose the brave fonts that have a big thick, so that the people can see clearly what just you write on the screen. And you can also adjusting the size by go click this style, drag it into the left side if you want to make it like smaller. Okay, and I will let to adjusting the space, so just need to take a look on this line and slide it into the left side until you find spacing. And I will let to like increasing the space each character, so drag this line into the line, drag it into the right side. I will let to back into the text. I want to make it a little smaller again right here. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and the next thing we need to do, drag this area so that they will have the same duration with the video. Perfect. Bring the straight line into the beginning of the clip again, and you just need to drag the text here into the down part until the text is just disappear, and go click at this at keyframe and slide the straight line into the end of the clip, and just drag the text into the upper side until the text is just disappear, and you're done. So here is the result. That is the way how to create a rolling end credits with the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.